In today's fast-paced world, who wouldn't want to earn money while sipping a pina colada on a beach? The concept of passive income, earning without actively trading time for money, is alluring. Many dream of financial freedom, breaking free from the 9-to-5 grind. Affiliate marketing, at its core, is a performance-based model where you, the affiliate marketer, earn a commission for driving traffic or sales to another company's products or services. Essentially, you become a digital salesperson, promoting products you believe in and earning a piece of the pie for every successful referral. Affiliate marketing, often shrouded in a veil of technical jargon, is at its heart a straightforward concept. Imagine yourself as a digital matchmaker, connecting people with products or services that solve their problems. The world of affiliate marketing comprises a network of interconnected players, each with a role in the ecosystem. At the center of this ecosystem is the merchant, the company or individual selling the product. Merchants can range from large corporations like Amazon and Apple to individual entrepreneurs selling digital products or courses. To solidify our understanding of affiliate marketing, let's look at some examples. Imagine you're a fitness enthusiast with a popular blog. You've partnered with a company that sells protein supplements. Now that we've demystified affiliate marketing, let's dive into the exciting part, building your business. Think of it as embarking on an adventure, a journey of discovery, where you'll learn new skills, connect with like-minded individuals, and unlock the potential for freedom. Imagine you're at a bustling farmer's market, surrounded by stalls overflowing with fresh produce, artisanal bread, and exotic spices. Choosing a niche for your affiliate marketing is like navigating that farmer's market. With your niche secured, it's time to explore the vast landscape of affiliate programs. Think of this step as finding the perfect dance partner for your journey. In the digital age, your online presence is your storefront, your virtual real estate where you showcase your brand, connect with your audience, and promote your offers. Your website or blog is the heart of your online presence. One of the most appealing aspects of affiliate marketing is its low barrier to entry. Compared to traditional brick-and-mortar businesses or other online ventures, starting an affiliate marketing business requires minimal financial investment. Imagine a snowball rolling down a hill, gaining momentum and size as it gathers more snow. That's the power of scalability. Imagine trading your daily commute for a scenic hike, your office cubicle for a cozy coffee shop, or your rigid work schedule for the freedom to set your own hours. That's the allure of freedom and flexibility that affiliate marketing offers. Venturing into the world of affiliate marketing, like setting sail on uncharted waters, demands more than just a treasure map of strategies and techniques. It requires cultivating a specific mindset, an entrepreneurial spirit that thrives on challenges, embraces learning, and persists through setbacks. This entrepreneurial spirit isn't about possessing an innate gift. It's about nurturing a set of beliefs and attitudes that empower you to navigate the uncertainties of building a business. It begins with a burning desire for something more, a yearning for financial independence, the freedom to chart your own course, or the satisfaction of creating something valuable. This desire becomes the driving force that propels you forward, even when faced with obstacles or self-doubt. Coupled with desire is an unwavering belief in your ability to succeed. It's about silencing that inner critic that whispers doubts and replacing it with a confident voice that declares, "I can do this." This self-belief isn't about arrogance. It's about recognizing your potential and trusting your ability to learn, adapt, and overcome challenges. Cultivating an entrepreneurial spirit means shifting from a consumer mindset to a creator mindset. It's about taking ownership of your financial future, actively seeking opportunities, and embracing the journey of building something from the ground up. Section 2. Overcoming the paralysis of analysis. The online world, with its abundance of information, can be both a blessing and a curse for aspiring affiliate marketers. Analysis paralysis can overwhelm you with advice, strategies, and tactics, hindering action. It's easy to get caught in the trap of endlessly researching the perfect niche or strategy. You devour countless blog posts and videos, seeking that one golden nugget of information. However, this pursuit of perfection can become a roadblock to progress. The truth is, there's no one-size-fits-all answer in affiliate marketing. What works for one person may not work for another. Gather enough information to make informed decisions, but not so much that it paralyzes you. Remember, the best way to learn is by doing. Don't be afraid to launch your website, join an affiliate program, and start creating content. You'll learn far more from your own experiences than from passively consuming information. Embrace the iterative process of testing, analyzing, and refining your strategies. As the saying goes, done is better than perfect. Break free from analysis paralysis and start taking those crucial steps toward building your affiliate marketing business. Section 3. Embracing the journey of growth. Building a successful affiliate marketing business is a marathon, not a sprint. It's a journey of continuous learning, adaptation, and growth, where setbacks are inevitable, but so are opportunities for improvement. Embrace this journey with a growth mindset, viewing challenges as stepping stones rather than roadblocks. Understand that success in affiliate marketing, like any worthwhile endeavor, requires patience, persistence, and a willingness to learn from mistakes. There will be times when you face obstacles, encounter technical difficulties, or see disappointing results. Don't let these setbacks derail your progress. Instead, view them as opportunities for growth and learning. Analyze what went wrong, identify areas for improvement, and adjust your strategies accordingly. Remember, every successful affiliate marketer has faced their share of challenges along the way. It's their ability to persevere, learn from their experiences, and adapt to changing circumstances that ultimately sets them apart. Affiliate marketing is an ever-evolving field. New trends emerge, algorithms change, and consumer behavior shifts. To stay ahead of the curve, embrace a mindset of continuous learning. Stay updated on industry news, attend webinars, read blog posts, and connect with other affiliate marketers to learn from their experiences and insights. The more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to navigate the challenges and capitalize on the opportunities that arise along your affiliate marketing journey. Section 1. Unveiling your niche, a journey of self-discovery. Choosing your niche is more than just a strategic decision in affiliate marketing. It's a journey of self-discovery. Align your passions, interests, and knowledge with a market that resonates with your values. Imagine yourself as a chef, carefully selecting ingredients. You wouldn't just randomly throw ingredients into a pot. You'd select each ingredient, considering its flavor and texture. Choosing your niche is similar. Identify your unique blend of skills, experiences, and passions. Reflect on your interests. What are you genuinely passionate about? What topics could you talk about for hours? What do you enjoy learning about and sharing with others? Your passions guide you towards a niche that keeps you motivated. Consider your skills and experiences. What are you good at? What unique knowledge or expertise do you possess? Have you worked in a specific industry or developed a particular skill set? Identifying your strengths helps you narrow down your niche and position yourself as an authority. Navigating the evergreen niches, health, wealth, and relationships. Within the vast landscape of niche markets, certain categories have stood the test of time, consistently attracting large audiences and generating significant revenue for affiliate marketers. These evergreen niches, as they're often called, tap into fundamental human needs, desires, and aspirations, making them perpetually relevant and profitable. The three primary evergreen niches, health, wealth, and relationships, encompass a wide range of sub-niches, providing ample opportunities for affiliate marketers to find their sweet spot and connect with a target audience. The health niche is a vast and ever-growing market, driven by people's desire to improve their physical, mental, and emotional well-being. From weight loss and fitness to nutrition, supplements, and mental health, the health niche offers a plethora of affiliate marketing opportunities. People are constantly seeking information, products, and services to help them live healthier, happier lives, making this niche a goldmine for affiliate marketers who can provide valuable content and recommendations. The wealth niche is another evergreen category that attracts a massive audience. People are always looking for ways to improve their financial situation, whether it's through investing, starting a business, earning passive income, or simply managing their money more effectively. Affiliate marketers in this niche can promote a wide range of products and services, such as financial education courses, investment platforms, online business tools, and personal finance software. With your niche chosen, the next step is diving into the pool of affiliate products. Imagine yourself as a treasure hunter, finding chests of gold and jewels. Each chest is an affiliate program with products to promote. Where do you begin your search? Online platforms connect marketers with merchants. These platforms guide you to programs that align with your niche. Amazon Associates is a major platform. It offers a vast selection of products. From books to groceries, Amazon has it all. ClickBank specializes in digital products. It offers high commission rates, often 50 to 75%. Digital products have lower overhead, allowing generous commissions. For aspiring affiliate marketers, particularly those new to the game, ClickBank can serve as a launchpad to success. Its user-friendly interface, extensive product selection, and robust affiliate support make it an ideal platform for beginners to dip their toes into the affiliate marketing waters without feeling overwhelmed. One of ClickBank's standout features is its focus on digital products, which offer several advantages for affiliate marketers. Digital products, unlike physical goods, don't require inventory management, shipping logistics, or handling returns. This simplifies the affiliate marketing process, allowing you to focus on promoting products and earning commissions without the headaches associated with physical inventory. ClickBank also provides a wealth of resources and support for its affiliates, including training materials, marketing tools, and a dedicated affiliate support team. These resources can be invaluable for beginners learning the ropes of affiliate marketing and seeking guidance on how to effectively promote products and maximize their earnings. Another advantage of ClickBank is its transparency. Each product listing includes detailed information about the product, the commission rate, the vendor's sales page conversion rate, and other relevant metrics. This transparency allows you to make informed decisions about which products to promote, boosting your chances of success. As we reach the end of this comprehensive guide, you're standing at the cusp of an exciting journey, the journey of affiliate marketing. We've explored the intricacies of this dynamic field, from understanding its core principles to navigating the intricacies of niche selection, product promotion, and mindset cultivation. You've gained valuable insights into the strategies, tools, and resources that can empower you to turn your online presence into a thriving source of passive income. Remember, affiliate marketing, like any worthwhile endeavor, requires dedication, persistence, and a willingness to learn and adapt. There will be challenges along the way, moments of doubt, and perhaps even a few setbacks. But it's in those moments that your entrepreneurial spirit will be tested and refined. Embrace those challenges, learn from your mistakes, and never lose sight of your goals. The beauty of affiliate marketing lies in its accessibility, flexibility, and potential for unlimited growth. You have the power to create a business that aligns with your passions, fits into your lifestyle, and provides the financial freedom you've always dreamed of. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur seeking to diversify your income streams, or a complete beginner taking your first steps into the world of online business, affiliate marketing offers a path to success that is both achievable and rewarding. The time for procrastination is over. The knowledge you've gained from this guide is your treasure map, guiding you towards a future filled with possibilities. It's time to take action, to turn your aspirations into reality. Start by revisiting the steps outlined in this guide. Identify your passions, research potential niches, and explore the vast array of affiliate programs available. Don't be afraid to experiment, to test different strategies, and to find what works best for you. Remember, every successful affiliate marketer started where you are now, with a spark of inspiration and a willingness to take that first step. The online world is constantly evolving, presenting new opportunities and challenges for affiliate marketers. Embrace this ever-changing landscape, stay informed about industry trends, and never stop learning and growing. Connect with other affiliate marketers, join online communities, and seek guidance from those who have already succeeded in this field. Please smash the like button and subscribe. Your journey to financial freedom through affiliate marketing starts now. Embrace the adventure, believe in yourself, and never give up on your dreams. The world of online business awaits. Go out there and make your mark.